So guys, I want it to spread everywhere, every nook and cranny of this pan. Fast that went bad. I've done several times, but today I don't know what happened. I don't know, it did not. Say what, yeah. Girl, you know what's up. Say what, girl, you know what's up. Hey guys, this is another faceless video today. I bring to you very simple, easy steps, easy hacks you could use in your kitchen to make your life easy peasy. I'm making a quick fix today. I'm making what do I call it? Do I call it bread pizza bread? It looks like pizza. It just brings them the idea of pizza, but of course it's not pizza. What I have here is my bread that I have cut into 2 equal parts, 2 triangular parts. So I'm going to be emptying into my frying pan. Anyway guys, stay tuned if you want to know how I'm doing this very quick breakfast, away from the regular bread and egg in the morning, bread and stew, bread and whatever. But this is just what I'll call pizza bread, or bread pizza, or pizza look-alike. Let's use that word. So what we have here is our spring onions, green pepper, red scotch bonnet. We have mozzarella cheese, we have our sausages, we have our eggs, and of course the odogo of the day, the main character in this video, is our bread, of course. All right guys, stay tuned. It's very important for you to do your bread like so, into 2 triangular equal parts, so that the layout in the fry pan makes a lot of sense. Yeah, so guys, I don't want this video to be too long, so I've sliced my spring onions, my green peppers, scotch bonnet. I sliced my chicken sausages, and of course you've seen our bread earlier that we cut into 2 equal triangular parts. Yes, and I'm relaxed. I'll be grating this whilst I put it in the pot, while the bread is in the pot. So that's basically what I have done so far. This is the next stage. So of course we're going to dive right into the video proper, and I'll see you in a bit. A little bit of cheese I will be using. This is my mozzarella cheese. You could either use cheddar cheese, or you could use Parmesan. We have cheese, basically I'm using my mozzarella cheese now. Guys, if you're using cheese of your choice, I like to use cheddar and mostly mozzarella cheese. So okay, we're now into the video proper. I'm going to put a little bit of sesame also, so that the bread does not stick on the pot. So I have my broken eggs here, about 5 of it. I'll just put my seasoning cubes, put all the mix, all the important actors in the film that will support the main character. Our spring onions, green peppers, scotch bonnet, seasoning cube. I'll put white pepper too. And of course, just spice it with a little bit of curry. The wife of thyme. Whisk it together. I'll be adding my sausages too, just to make it colorful and interesting. Not too boring. Not too boring. A little bit of salt to taste, salt of life. So guys, I want it to spread everywhere, every nook and cranny of this pan, so that laying of my bread will be easy. Guys, look at this formation, look at this color. color looking colorful. So guys, I don't want it to scatter, so I'm going to just cover it like this. Let's hope it does not go wrong, because this thing can be very, very tricky. So I'm going to flip it and I'll get back to you. I won't show you in case of disaster. Guys, wish me luck, that I am going to flip this what's it called, and does not scatter, does not do video go wrong. So let's see how it goes. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, I don't know what it looks like. I'm scared to open it. Guys, get what? It didn't come out right.
What's the
Okay. Fast. Oh, it's hot. This is very hard. It didn't come out. Guess what, guys? Just two came out. Okay, so I guess it is not dry yet. Let us flip it back to the other side. This is dicey and tricky. Guess what happened? You see what happened, guys? Just two came out. I think I'll have to use my... Guys, this video went wrong. I went to do pizza bread, bread pizza. It didn't come out, but of course I always improvise sharp, thinking on my feet. So I'm just gonna not to allow my breakfast waste. I'm just going to serve everybody as it comes like this. So sad. I don't know what went wrong, but it's very dicey, this kind of meal. So I'm gonna just stay like this, and of course like so. Very rich, guys, very rich. Guys, look at the cheese. Just look at the cheese. I would have made my video very sweet. But anyway, you know, waste. The cheese, see the gummy cheese. But of course, trust me, guys, this is still going to come out tasty. We'll marry them together 2 by 2. Like so, and like so. Since I've cut it with the pizza slicer, any word like that. Fast that went bad. I've done several times, but today I don't know what happened. I don't know. It did not. It's very, very tricky. But of course, I wanted to show you the aesthetic way of this pizza bread. But of course, so guys, this video went wrong. We can't all have it perfect in this life. You win some, lose some. I hope to get the aesthetic picture of this pizza, the look that was supposed to come out. I've done this several times, but I wanted to bring to your doorstep that okay, you can do it in your kitchen. But unfortunately for me, I feel so pained. It didn't come out right, but of course it's still eatable. So this is how we'll be having it today, as opposed to the one I wanted to do in my brain. I wanted to do round triangles and a round circle. Anyway, guys, we have our cheese, we have our plenty cheese, our sausages, red bell peppers, green bell peppers, spring onions, and of course white peppers. And trust me, guys, it's really, really good, sweet, juicy. I'm having this with our coffee. Lazy morning breakfast. All right, guys, do so well to like, share, subscribe, and I'll definitely see you.